Menteri Rambak ke Jela Konrad ke Sangma Haka Hendriu Trikulber, ulakran halor ke jingiaid lynti jong ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA, kebalakan job mentah syaka prasnam, dak kaba kubur halor ke jingeh kiba kaya kendu, dak kaba ai kublai kirpang ya ke jingkershan jong kipat ba. Ha kini ki prasnam jong ke jingiaid lynti, ngilai kendu ya shibun ke jingeh jingkenju. Hindray lingba ki jingger khu ki banalor, ka jingiaid ka jingger shan jing ki patba, ngilala banyalek persya ya kini ki jingeh ong ukon rat, habakran ha program bal ai kerteng Our Magnificent Meghalaya Vision 2032, ha PA Sangma Sports Complex Hatura, West Garo Hills. Habakdaw halor ki jingjob jong ka sorkar ha kini ki prasnam ki baladam, Menteri Rangba uloong bakat bagi kampen roy hakaliang ke jingtei kilong ki kongsan, Henry ke jingtoi ke jingroy ke bashisha, ta syong kamtam halor ke jingla ban kintiu ya ke jinglong jingim je ki pai ba nong syong shnong. Ula banjur baka jingsen syar ha ke bakut hi, kadai halor ke jingwan ra jingkela ha ke jingim ke baman kasngi jong ki briew. Om tang halor ki jingtei kum ki surong, ki hospital ki school, bat ki wei ki jingtei ke sorkar. Kadai ke jingkela ke bangila banwan ra ha ke jingim jing ki briew, bat kata kadai ke bapen ki ya ke sorkar ula ong. Sembut Menteri Rangba ubak Preston Tensong ha ke jingkren ulai nyau ya ke jingalang kum umau mer bakongsan, na ke benta ke jela, da ke bakdau ya ke jingiaid lynti jong ke sorkar MDA, kebelas dang na duk ke Henry Utrik Luber ahaja khatra, hapuk ke jingalam jong Menteri Rangba ke jela ukon rat ke sangma. Ula ai kublai kerpang ru ya ka jinggershan ke babuteng jong ki patba da ka bakhot ru e kinong shong shnong bat ki kin hun seng baper bakin ai ka jinggershan ke sinjam jong ka sorkar na ka benta ka roy ka par. Menteri Rangba ha ka ni ka sngi ula pelait ru ya ki babun ki program bat ki skim ka bakin thum ya ka Chief Minister's Scholarship Scheme na ka benta usnam arja arpasan arja arprio bakat san klur tingka bat a jingwan to ya khandai ku khra hajar hinyos pak san huwei ki khna kuli bat kumju ru ka uniform grant lingba ka direct benefit transfer bakat palat like klur tingka na ka benta san pawajar ngot ki khna kuli. Konrad ulap lipat baru ya kisispa iwaitli ki community hall badan hakaleng gejala ki bala pentre hapok project for community basis forest management but livelihood improvement ha Meghalaya bala kerdansa ke Japan International Cooperation Agency but ke Chief Minister's Special Development Fund CMSDF na kaliang ulampang kayeng dorbar Thomas A. Sangma ula ai kublai ya Menteri Rangba namar ka jinglong Menteri Rangba ba ne slam e ha ka jing shakri ha ka history ka Meghalaya habakat ya ka jinga trilang ha pen ka sorkar bat kaliang persya ban la ban kenjo ya ka thong ka roy ka par babu da ka sorkar.
For us to go through the journey of the last 8 years, but it is the blessings from above, the love of the people, the support of our citizens, because of which we were able to overcome most of the challenges that were there in the last 8 years. On Meghalaya Day this year, I have received a letter from the Honorable Prime Minister of India. Apart from congratulating the state on its statehood day, he congratulated the people of Meghalaya for the tremendous economic transformation that has taken place in our state. That state today is the second fastest growing state in the country after Tamil Nadu. And if you think of it, Who would ever dream that one day a small state like Meghalaya would be competing with the more advanced states in the country, states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Meghalaya today is in those leagues in terms of the economic growth that we are seeing today. It is not a small step, but it is a very, very important and a decisive step towards our goal to transform the state of Meghalaya. Honorable Prime Minister mentioned in his letter that while achieving this tremendous economic transformation, Meghalaya has also ensured that we have kept our fiscal discipline, have managed our resources and finances in a very, very prudent manner. And that also is a very important signal to show that while economic growth is important, it must be done in a sustainable manner, in a balanced manner, keeping all aspects of economics in mind. Satisfaction I get, and the biggest work I tell everybody that I have done is being able to bring a smile to the citizen's face. That is my biggest achievement. It is not the big developments and the buildings. It is that smile. It is that difference that I can make in a person's life. And I think that is what drives this government. I asked Deputy CM, Bapak Tinso, that you have been in so many governments before. What do you think is different? And is it different? Is it better or worse? And of course, we all know he just spoke. He said that it's very different because a lot of things are being done. A lot of development is being done. But then he added at the end to say that while we're doing all of this, the best part about our government is that we all enjoy what we are doing. Nobody is working here because he has to work. People today, whether it's government officials, whether it's MLAs or ministers, we are working here because we find a sense of purpose that's driving us. We have been able to make that difference. And because we're able to make that difference, we all are enjoying what we're doing. And I think that is what makes this government different from others. Others have also developed. Others have also done different kind of work. But it is the positivity. It is the sense of not giving up. It is a sense of working towards a purpose, a vision, a goal. Knowing that whatever time I give, it will translate into something different and something positive for some human being in our state, some citizen in some corner of our state. And that is what drives this government today. We are here to serve the people of our state. I am not celebrating 8 years of MDA government, as correctly mentioned by Honorable Deputy CM. We are here to celebrate the people of our state. We are here to celebrate the 8 years of service that we have given to the people of the state. We are here to celebrate the lakhs and lakhs of lives that we have been able to touch in the last 8 years. And that is why this celebration is of great, great importance to us. Because it is not about Conrad Sangma, it is not about Preston Tinsong or any of us. It is because it is about each and every one of you who's present out here. Friends, while we move in that direction, a lot of challenges are there. A lot of problems we face. But if we are together and we are focused in what we are doing, I'm sure that we will be able to overcome all those challenges. And whatever challenges and difficulties we may face and we may have, we will find a way. We will find a resolution. We will find a way forward. But hating other tribes, hating a different community is not the solution or not the way forward. We need to discuss, we need to talk, and we need to find how we can find a resolution to the issues that are there in front of us. Unity will always be our strength. And I hope that in the days to come, we will work in a united way to take our state forward. On this 8th anniversary of the MDA, it is only appropriate for me to thank my cabinet colleagues. Without their work, their efforts, we would not be where we are today. I would like to thank our MLAs who have been very, very supportive of the government in whatever we do. My special thank you goes to our officers. Those who are working in offices, in the secretariat or departments, and those who are working in the field. You are part of Team Meghalaya. And no matter what position you are in, your contribution matters. Sometimes they make challenges, which is natural. But it does not mean that we should neglect our people or forget about the purpose for which we are all here, which, as I said, is ultimately to serve the people of our state. I hope that this day will reignite our sense of purpose and passion to continue working dedicatedly, no matter what the challenges and no matter how tired we get. We will not forget our responsibility towards our people. What is the development you can hear? The foundation stone was laid. The government has decided. The policy has been created. We hear the development. That is the first form of development which is there. The second form of development is a development that you can see. So after the foundation has been laid, when the building is complete, When we see that building, that is a development that you can see. Oh, new building has come up. That is a second form of development. The third form of development, which is the most important, is the development that you can feel. So you heard the development, which is the building, the foundation stone was laid. Then you saw the development, which was the new hospital that came up, the new building that came up. But you will feel the development when a person's life or a mother's life is saved because of that hospital. And that, my friends, is the development we should all be pursuing. It's not about foundation stones only. It's not about the hospital building or the school building only. But it is about saving that life. It's about educating those children and transforming their lives. It is about the help that we have given to the farmers so that their lives are changed. The development that you can feel. And that is the reason I say that my greatest satisfaction and my biggest achievement is to be able to bring a smile on a person's face. Because when you are able to get a development that one can feel, you will bring that smile to the person's face.
I would like to share with you that time when we formed the government under the leadership of our Chief Minister Sri Conrad Sharma on the 6th of March 2018, and the journey is not that smooth. There were so many challenges, so many ups and downs, but ultimately, with the blessing and guidance of Almighty God, we are reaching to the journey of 8 years. I'm a bit saddened to see. I thought today being the celebration of 8 years journey, the whole region of Garo Hills will throng to this place and celebrate the blessing and the initiative taken by the government. I'm so sorry to say, but it looks deserted. My dear friends, young boys and young girls, why didn't you come and witness this important function that we have? Thousands of beneficiaries are being blessed with these programs, with this initiative in the name of Chief Minister's Social Service Program. Where are you? Are you trying to say that you don't like this program? Are you trying to say that you don't like that our people grow? May I therefore humbly let us open up our eyes by doing this. It doesn't mean that you don't like Quran. It doesn't mean that you don't like press code. It doesn't mean that you don't like the government. But it may deflect otherwise. Maybe you don't like or people in the rural area to grow. So may I request members and leaders of NGOs, please come forward. The door is always open. We are here to discuss the issues, whatever issues you have. I knew your thinking is also for the future. program like we have today, this program is dedicated to our people, to our poor people, be it urban and rural areas. So I call upon each and every one of you, work together with the government. Let me tell you one thing. From 2018 till today, God has shared the responsibilities to our leader, Sri Karnat Sangha, where ultimately he translates the dreams of our late P.A. Sangha. He wanted to see that poorness does not at all exist again in the state of Meghalaya. Therefore, so many social schemes we have. So many social schemes, be it for old, be it for young, be it for the student. All social schemes are here with us. It is in our doorstep. So I leave it to all of you. Are you willing to take this opportunity? And I should say, this is the golden opportunity that we have.